Hello, I'm Saji Araneta, an air conditioner master. And today, I'm going to show you the types of an air conditioner. Alright, let's start with the window type. Alright, so the window type, which I have there. Window type air conditioner. Alright, so now you have seen a window type. Next we'll have our split type. Alright, so in my sketch pad I have drawn split type air conditioners. Where is that? These ones. Okay, the first one. These ones. All of those are split types. It's called a split type because the split system has composed of indoor unit and the outdoor unit. So I already showed you the indoor unit. Outdoor unit, like that. Indoor, outdoor. Okay. And then next, we'll have our ceiling type. This is the ceiling type. Its air goes out here. This is the water hose. Alright, so we have already learned the 3 types of air conditioners. Number 1 is the window type air conditioner. Number 2, split type air conditioner with an indoor unit and a outdoor unit. Number 3 is our ceiling air conditioner. And number 4, we are going to learn about the integral air the upright air conditioner. This one. Upright air conditioners are also like split because they have an indoor unit and a outdoor unit. Alright, it's okay, I have already ready. This is the upright air conditioner and its hose going to the outdoor unit. So you notice that this one is even taller or bigger than its outdoor unit. Right. Next, we have number 5, central air conditioning or integral air conditioning. Alright. I think I still don't have a picture of that. This one. It's also like a split, but this is the outdoor unit, and when it comes to the indoor, there are a lot of it in the ceiling. It's like a ceiling unit, but it has an outdoor. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe into my channel. Once again, I'm Saji Araneta, an air conditioner master. Thank you.